everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And today we're going to have another property video. I'm having to do the opening in my office because for some strange reason, and cameras and microphones are just the worst. The microphone was popping on my GoPro, which is the same microphones. I have no earthly idea what was going on. I don't know if it's the wind or barometric pressure, moon phase, me being left-handed, I don't know. So anyway, I'm going to show you, I'm going to be doing it using the Stihl FS91 brush cutter. I'm cleaning off the end of the driveway where it's got a mound out there and it's the driveway forks in. It's been an eyesore for me since we bought the property. I'm fixing it. We're going to clean it off, weed eat it, spray it with Roundup again. And then we're going to head up on the hill and do an unboxing of trail cameras. And the trail camera in question, this is a Moultrie, works on the Verizon network. I didn't get it set up on the hill, but I did an unboxing and showed you what all comes in it. I got it set up when I got back home, so it's a little tedious to do, but anyways, this is a short video of property management. Hope you enjoy it. And let's get out there on the property. I'm gonna get the old Stihl FS91 cranked up here and get on this. Then we may try to put out a trail camera here in a minute. So I got a herd of deer up here on the property, and I want to keep an eye on them. So I'm gonna put a trail camera up here. I'm gonna try to set one up. So y'all stay with us. As you can see, this is just repetition, cut and pile. So I'll come back when I got a little more done. All right, we're getting close. I'm taking a 5-minute break. Got just a little bit right there and a little weed eating. Then we'll move to the next job. I'm getting too old for this crap. All right, I got as far tonight as I'm gonna go with the brush cutting blade. I'm gonna put the string head back on it. Go around, rake a little bit, and that's all I'm gonna do. I'm really too old for this crap. Anyway, I hope y'all are enjoying these videos. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button down there. It doesn't cost you a dime, and all you have to do is click right down there, hit that bell to be notified, and you can see me out here doing something silly. All right. Thursday, April 28th. I'm gonna give it one more good douse in a Roundup. Next thing, we'll bring a tractor over here and try to smooth it over, pull some of these stumps up. I got the AT&T people supposed to come out and look at that mess right there. So Southern Bell got bought up by AT&T in 2006, I found out. So anyway, I'm gonna put all my tools back in the truck and I'm gonna head up on the hill and I'm gonna look at trail cams now. So be right back. All right, so I finished the weed eating brush cutting for tonight. So next job is an unboxing of some trail cameras. So I got these from Moultrie. I guess I'm saying that right, Moultrie. They have refurb specials, what I found out, and I found out Moultrie is pretty much the way to go, and the reviews on them are really good. So they have a strap that goes around a tree or a post or something. I got a 2-pack, regularly $239 or something. I got them for $139. Good warranty and the whole bit, so I went ahead and got them. Be links in the description of what I got. 2 16 gig SD cards. These do connect up to Verizon, so I got to figure that part out. That's who my carrier is. Got a couple of stickers. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. Got 2 antennas. These are cellular antennas. Got 2 packs of batteries, which, God, that's a lot of batteries. So I'm gonna try to figure out a solar battery pack system to go on it instead of having to do this. Maybe. I've seen a lot of people do that. Got another strap. Got a little troubleshooting guide, quick start guide. All right, that's pretty. It gives you 2 little pages, so that ought to be okay. Now here's the camera. It's got a weatherproof enclosure. That's where the antenna goes, up here on top. I'll have to look at the manual and see exactly how to hook it on the tree. And well, you have to activate the camera and select plan via website. So I'll probably have to have a credit card. Yeah, they work there. So attach antenna, install batteries and SD card, power camera on. So first off, I got to go to the website. Luckily I got good coverage out here. You format the SD card and then capture a test image. So I'm gonna go ahead off camera and go to the website. I'm only gonna do one today because I'm tired and hungry, and I just want to get one up right now because my herd of deer come right across here, and I'll put a picture. I'll show a picture right now of all the deer tracks. It's my buddy Jason lives next door, and he's got 3 feeders, and we're gonna plant some food plots, and there's a big old rabbit going across right there. There's some big deer on this place, and I can't wait to start hunting it and taking pictures and stuff. So, but let me get in the website and activate this one, and I'll come right back. So I'm still going through the activation part of it. So you go on Moultrie Mobile, create an account, then you register the device and activate it with the serial number and the modem ID. Then you put 12 batteries in it, put an SD card in it right here. Then you hold the power button, and when you hold the power button, you hold the format button, and it formats the SD card. And until I've got a plan going, I don't have a connection to the server, it looks like. But I'm going to capture a test image. So I'm going to hold it for 5 seconds. And I'm sure this won't work until it's ready to go, so. But I'm going to hold it just for the heck of it. I'll list the specs on this camera in the description. And I'm going to leave it at that. In the next video, hopefully I'll show you some images off of it and show you how to use it and all that stuff. I'm going to learn how to do it. So, but anyway, hope y'all enjoy the videos. This is going to be a long drawn out thing because we plan on building a house up here at some point. If prices come down and we can get everything else done, we got to run water, put a septic tank in, get power at some point. But it's coming along, a little bit at a time. But anyway, Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified, hit that like button. We're almost at 900. We're getting close. If y'all can get me over 1,000, maybe I can afford some of this. But anyway, hope y'all are doing well. Hope you're having a great day. And until the next video, thanks for watching.